Good morning to all of you. I hope you're all doing great at your home. So let us discuss this presentation with the topic virtual teaching and learning on design, develop and deliver the online courses through a Moodle platform. So in my last lecture, I have discussed with you regarding the online courses, what are all the softwares and mobile apps for developing the online course. So here in this video lecture, I am taking one cloud site, so we can able to register in that site, and then we can able to upload the courses and contents and everything in that site. So let us go for the presentation. So before going to the presentations, we must have to know the basics of Moodle. So what is the Moodle means? So it is a modular object-oriented dynamic learning environment. So it is an open source software. It is one of the learning management systems or a virtual learning environment, and anyone can use without paying any fee, as a commercial and as well as a non-commercial projects also. Okay, so who are all the beneficiaries for this Moodle platform? So one is, what is the role of teachers in this Moodle platform? So here in our day-to-day classrooms, we are going to take a class and we can clear the doubts with the students. So what is the advantage of going for an online course? So the major advantage is, so anytime students and anyone can access this, and then it will not delete. That is the main advantages of this. So first, the teachers can create an online course and upload the files and lessons related to that course, and then they can divide the students into some batches, and they can create a online test and examinations to the students, and if the students have a doubt, they will go for chat sessions and then discussion forums. Okay, this is the role of the teachers in this Moodle platform, and then how the learners will benefit from this. So the learners, that is the students, they follow the lessons in day-to-day basis, and then upload their homework and test within the given period of time, and then they clear their doubts in the discussion forums and then via chat sessions. Okay, so next, so I have already discussed in my previous lecture, there are so many Moodle platforms are there. So today I am going to represent the platform which is a free cloud site, that is Genomio.com. So in this Genomio, there are several phases to create an online course. So first of all, we have to create a site and then uh, log in that site, and then we can edit the pages, and then we can able to add the courses and then contents, and then we can able to add the students, setting up assignments, MCQs and the discussion forums. So in this video lecture, I am going to discuss with you all with how to create a site in using Genomio, and then how to log in that. So first, the phase one is how to create a site using Genomio. So first, go to that Google and then type Genomio. So the page will open like this. So in this, they have asked three things. One is URL, and then email, and then language. So in that URL, you can give any name, that is might be your name or some other name, that is for example Murli, and then with that preferred thing, that is murli.gnomio.com, and then a correct email address, and then the language. So after that, click that I have read that terms and conditions and then click on create site. So after creating the site, so it will come like this, that is a URL, that is murli.gnomio.com, and then email address, and then the language will come like this. So after this, a small notification will come to your mail regarding with your username and password like this. So in this, you can able to read that your Moodle site is at murli.gnomio.com, and then you have a username as an admin, and then the temporary password is given. So after this, you can go to the site with that URL, that is I'm going here murli.gnomio.com. So after this, they are asking for their login. So you can edit your username and password, and then you can log in this. So a page will be opened like this with your admin as an user, and then this is the Gnomio website dashboard form. So in my next lecture, I am going to explain or demonstrate how the site is going to work, and then how we can create a course in this. So thank you all for the patient listening. Thank you.